So lepas tu, at the end of it all, he, after me rejecting his songs, ended up producing 8 out of the 10 songs in that album. Saya masih aktif menyanyi. You know, I was still performing live, performance off air, corporate events. I did do, we went to LA, we went to several places to perform. Maksudnya aktiviti menyanyi saya masih berjalan walaupun enggak ada album for that 13 years. Yeah. Boneka tu is something symbolic ya, because sebagai seorang penghibur, kita di atas pentas always wanting to membuat fans happy. Yeah, and yeah, like I said, being a performer, yang paling teratas to me is peminat, number one. Tanpa peminat is no point. You buat apa pun tak ada penggemar, nggak jadi juga ya. So basically for that 13 years I didn't do an album, my fans grew bigger, which was kind of strange. You know, because you think that kalau nggak ada album, orang mula lupa kita, kan? Tetapi sebabkan saya mungkin was still singing, doing live performances, and from my observation, the invitations to do live performances were coming from festivals that have young people. You know, like in Malaysia we have Urbanscapes, we have Future Music, dan ini rata-ratanya anak-anak semua bawah umur maybe early 30s, 20s, you know. So I realized that fans saya bukan sahaja my age group, is getting bigger and they're growing younger. So that's why I did Boneka. It's a gift. It's a present to my fans for their support in my career throughout these years. And with this support, I get to live this life. Alhamdulillah, yeah. Saya sudah bolak-balik sini dah more than 30 years ya. Jadi sekarang ni udah, I'm really grateful because Indonesia does not treat me like orang luar. I'm already like one of you, you know. You've accepted me as one of your own, as one of your own artists, you know. And so saya betul-betul bersyukur tentang itu, kerana selain dari mencari rezeki di negara saya, there is another place too that I can cari rezeki. And not only saya diterima oleh the penggemar Indonesia, tapi I'm also diterima oleh the industry, which is important. Because if you're just being accepted by the fans, and if the industry does not accept you, it's hard to penetrate through the market. You know what I mean? But kalau industri juga menerima, then the path is easier. And juga saya sudah banyak kenalan, banyak teman, you know. I love coming here. I love the energy. Whenever saya kalau datang sini, you know, pulang KL, I'm so inspired because I hear the music, you know, the music is so alive here. It's all live music. Nggak ada yang main apa -1, that kind of thing, you know. So that's why I keep coming back here, because one thing, I love music. When I come here, I get inspired and I go back and create. Saya sudah kenal Topati dah lama ya, sebab waktu tahun 90-an yang saya banyak buat show di sini, Erwin Gutawa selalu menjadi macam musical director. In fact, actually the first show that I did in Jakarta was in 1988. It was it was a hair event. It was a huge hair event in JCC, and the band was Karimata, Chandra Darusman, Aminuto Kosin, Gilang Ramadan, Erwin Gutawa. They were the ones that backed me. Nyanyi, I sang a few songs. Di situ saya mula kenal Erwin. So waktu I did shows and all that, sometimes Erwin will be the musical director atau apa. And kalau ada Erwin, pasti ada Topati. You know, Topati will play guitar. Jadi sudah kenal dari time itu ya. It's just that waktu this 2016 yang konsert di JCC, Chandra Satria, dia yang he organize it. He was the organizer, right? Right. So waktu kita meeting ya, dia bilang, okay, you know, for the music, the orchestra, the director will be Topati. And I was okay, I'm fine with that. Sebab apa? Saya sudah kerja sama dengan Topati udah lama, plus the fact he knows my music. You know, he knows my music, he knows my capability, I know him, he know me, you know. So jalan, and he did a great job for that JCC concert, that 2016. It was sold out. His arrangements were great, and he knows what it is that can enhance me, what is it that, you know, he knows my kelemahan and whatever lah. So it all gelled well. We were on the same synergy. Jadi pasal album ni, macam mana dia turut bekerjasama is because sebelum 2016, 2015 kan I celebrated my 30th year. Jadi sepatutnya album itu keluar that year for my fans. But what happened was, waktu pembikinan album Mencari Lagu, I said to my management, tell everyone I'm looking for songs. Jadi the songs that came in was about 100 over songs. Tapi I said to management, bagi lagu aja, jangan bagi tahu siapa yang tulis. Right? So from that 100 over, I only found 4 yang sesuai. Then I was stuck. That's why the album took 3 years. I was stuck, so I said, okay, hold on. I'm not the sort of person that want to do just a single or nak buat album, a 5 song album, because I'm old school. Kalau album bagi saya harus 10 lagu, all original studio recording songs. So 4 songs, hold on. And then I continued with my live performances, but still waiting for songs. And then we did this concert. Lalu Mas Bon asked me, Topati asked me, kamu punya album itu, what is happening? I said, aduh, sekarang I'm stuck. I only have 4 songs. I said, do you have any songs to give me? Ya, aku dah bagi. Dia kata, aku dah bagi. Kamu reject semua lagu aku. I'm like, what? Rupanya in that 100 over songs that was given to me, ada lagu dia. And even ada my husband punya lagu pun. But I don't know which one. Tapi enggak dipilih ya. So I bilang, okay, you know what? I cakap, maybe if you have any more songs, can you just give to me? So sebulan setelah konsert itu, dia hantar laguku nanti. And I like. So then after that, he sent another one, Melukis Dunia. I also like. So lepas tu, at the end of it all, he, after me rejecting his songs, ended up producing 8 out of the 10 songs in that album. Yeah. So, and it's a great album. He really captured the essence of Sheila Majid in Boneka. Yeah. Actually, my Latin vocal is di kamar mandi, ya. I'm very jujur here. I might as well tell you, okay? Because my time, we never had vocal trainers. You know, things like that. So it's all kamar mandi style. Only now, ada vocalization sedikit lah, you know, like just to warm up before I go on stage. Tapi kalau khusus training, this is the thing. You need to be healthy. You need to, because sebagai seorang penghibur penyanyi tidak ada istilah sakit ya. Even sakit also the show has to go on because people have paid. So you need to keep yourself fit so that you know you tak senang sakit lah. Because it's part of your work, your responsibility as well. Tanggungjawab.